Kobe.
Hey, could you give that back?
No, it's mine now!
Oh, nuts.
Hey, do you have another basketball?
Yes, but it's in the garage.
So you have more basketballs in your garage?
Yep. You must wear gloves if you want to push the button.
Dude, it's just a garage.
Wear gloves.
No!
Fine, I will.
Why do you need to wear gloves?
Someday you'll understand, young grasshopper.
Young grasshopper? I'm 6 months older than you.
Shut up.
Dude, you're being insane. Why do you keep bowing to the garage door? Why don't you just open it?
The garage door is sacred. You must not anger the garage door. The garage door, I am unworthy. Oh, great garage door, won't you open for such a lowly human as myself? My offering is done. I can't believe it. It opened. What'd you do that for?
Well, while you were trying to open the garage door, I went home, took a nap, played a video game, ate dinner, and got a new basketball.
Until next time, garage.
See you later, kid.
Yo, dudes and not dudes. Thanks for making it to the end of my video. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more of them, please subscribe. Or let me know what you think in the comment section below. See ya!